today we have an Oppo F9 that needs to be battery replaced. Let's charge the phone with the original battery. As you can see, the battery is charging normal. It increases the charge. See, it's 1%. But the charge could not last long. And to add, the battery is starting to bulge. This task is pretty basic, but something is wrong with the replacement battery. To show you what I mean, let's try to charge the replacement battery. This is the brand new, but only a replacement. Okay, let's charge it and let us wait for the error message. This is the message what I'm talking about. The battery contacts error. Let's see it again. So what will I do to fix this issue is to swap the BMS board of the original battery to the replacement battery. If we compare the connectors of this battery, as you can see, they are pretty similar or no difference at all. I don't know why the replacement battery is not capable of charging the phone, but it has something to do with the BMS board. The only way to fix this issue, as far as my knowledge, is to swap the BMS board of the original battery to the replacement battery. Okay, let's start the board swapping, but take note, this procedure is not safe. It may explode, so do not imitate if you don't know what you are doing. After exposing the terminals, let's measure the voltage of each battery to compare where is the B plus and the B minus. This is 3.9 volts. This is 3.5, so same terminal point. Just add plugs and a solder lid to the terminals to pull the board. Okay, we managed to remove the BMS board from the replacement battery. We will do the same for the original battery. we need to add more solder lead and plugs to help us unbind the terminal easily, because this original battery has a high melting point compared to the replacement one. Done. So we need to put this BMS, original BMS, to the replacement board or replacement battery. Okay, almost done. We just need to cover the terminals with the tape or the Kapton tape, and then we will test it. Okay, time to test the battery. Let's charge this phone. Let's wait for the charging icon. As you can see, after a few seconds of charging, it doesn't show any error message or battery contacts message error, but still just a charging sign. So I think this is a success. The swapping of board is a success. Let's power up the phone and check if the charging icon is also showing. Okay, so as you can see, it is charging and power on, and the message is charging normally, and it is all good. As you can see, there is a first charging message here and charging indicator here, and the percentage is increasing. So that's it, all good. So please like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye bye.